Hello there, welcome back to another video. I'm Rajat and today we'll be solving another Leapfrog question. This is the question of the day for 2nd March 2025. The question is Leapfrog 2570 merge two 2D arrays by 7 values are. The question statement is pretty big, so let's start reading it and I'll just clarify what it means at the end. So the problem statement says that you are given two 2D arrays, nums1 and nums2. Now one has um, type of ID1 and val1. Indicate that number with ID1 has a value equals to value1. The numbers 2i is equal to ID1 indicate that okay. Each array contains unique IDs and is sorted in ascending order by ID. Merge the two arrays into one array that is sorted in ascending order by ID respective to the following condition. Only the IDs that appear in at least one of the two arrays should be included in the resulting array. Each ID should be included only once and its value should be the sum of the values of this ID in the two arrays. If the ID does not exist in one of the arrays, then assume its value in that array to be 0. Return the resulting array. Return array must be sorted in ascending order by ID. Okay, fair enough. My intuition on this problem is that, let's see the example first. We have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in nums2 we have 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1. According to what the problem says, the resulting array is 1, 6, which means 1, 2, 2 plus 4, it's 6. So for ID1, the resulting array is 1, 6. And for 2, 3, there is no map. So, and for 3, 2, we have, okay. For 4, 5, we have 4, 1, so 5 plus 1, 6, so 4, 6, and for 3, 2, we have none, so, okay, pretty easy, I suppose, yeah. So what we will do is let's just create a dictionary out of nums2. Okay. What I will do is that I will first create it. I will comment out the code as well. First, okay, let's just first create the vector intent answer equal answer. Okay, the resulting array. Okay. Now what we want is that we want some kind of dictionary, a map. Okay, let's take map of int empty and and for auto A of nums2, what we simply do is that we'll do map.insert a 0 1, creating a map for better search. So better search. Okay, what we will do is that we will actually loop around nums1, catch the ID, and once the ID has been catched, we will search for it in nums2. And if there exists some ID, if the same ID exists in nums2, we will add the both and create another vector. Otherwise, we will just insert. Okay. For better search in nums2. Okay. Same thing. Okay. So now we in nums1, take the ID and search in the map. Let's do map. They exist in the ID. From the values, the values, otherwise as it is. Okay, now what I want to do here is that meanwhile I'm creating a map. I also want to create a map for nums2 as well. Okay, since at the end of all the process, I want to also add those numbers which don't have any ID in nums1. Okay, so let's just let's just call it P1, and okay, here we will actually insert an entity. Okay, fine. Let's just auto num nums1 for nums1. Let's for nums1 in ID goes to num0 and value 1. Fine. Right. And this mp.end basically returns an iterator to the end of the map. So this is how you find an ID. I have done it long ago, so I'm not pretty much sure if this syntax works, but yeah, I suppose, yeah. So mp.find id not equal to mp.end is that the id is present in mp1 actually. 15. So we will just what we will do is that we create insert dot flag insert dot push flag equals to id and value plus mp2, right? This is it. Yeah. So this handles, and for the else case, we just want to push that id value plus just a value. Okay, nothing. Okay. This handles it for it handles it for all the values of num2, but we also have to find out if there are any values that are left unnoticed in num2. So for that, Okay, let's see. After this, you can just return the answer. But I'm pretty sure of the commands as well. We'll just create another. For a better for the optimal search, what I will do is I will just insert ID. ID. Yeah, I will just for the sake at the end just wants to like auto MP or MP if MP or we have to find if there are any values like belongs to that didn't have any match add those values in answer belongs to. And since it is simply find MP dot find MP dot first. MP dot first means the first of the map, that is the ID itself, is equals to MP dot P1 dot end, which is true. And we simply have to push back push back first. Okay. This is definitely not the optimal approach since first we are doing this, then we are doing this. That's the optimal approach. And afterwards we'll just we can just sort the array. Just sort the array and sort begin sort and this should solve the problem. Let's see. Definitely solve the problem, but it is not optimal. Let's just submit it and look into it. It definitely beats. Yeah, this is the first thing. Let's see. This is definitely beats 100% because we have used maps for driving predictions. This is definitely not the optimal solution. Let's see if there are any better ways. They have used a while loop, which is, I mean, they have used while loop and I have used for loop too. They are the same. Okay. But we will go with our own solution. Better. yeah, so that's it for today. We have actually completed the straight answer. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like it. Uh, Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.